Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Java Stories, and this is a new playlist which we are going to build on the LeetCode SQL questions. We are going to solve both the premium and the non-premium SQL question here. So before we get started in this playlist, let us see what we are going to cover in this. Initially, for the couple of videos, we are going to learn something about the basics of joins, mainly the left join and some inner joins. After that, we are going to learn about aggregate functions. We will wrap this up in one video. We will learn about the sums, the count, group by, having clause, because these are very necessary to solve SQL questions in the LeetCode. And after that, in one video or two videos, we are going to study about the window functions. These are also called the analytical functions, and we are going to see some of them, not the whole list. Also in the middle of the video, if I think that some topics needs to be discussed, so I will be explaining those topics before, and then I'm going to solve those questions. So be ready to solve a lot of LeetCode questions on this playlist. Thank you for watching.